2, 3, 4, 5.
然后会贵啊。
2, 3, 4, 5.
176，八不对
1,
176，
2,
176算最高的了。
算高的嘛，对不对？176算高。
4, 5.
啊？
很少那么高的。
不对，但是啊 ，Yeah, good afternoon. Can you explain introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Daniel Sarosa, 25 years old I'm 25 years old and single. My previous jobs are on fast food, which I'm a service
嗯，
crew
他也好紧张，还吐个舌头。你
for
看他还
almost
会
3 years.
看
And I am also I'm also work at Epson for almost 3 years as a service crew. Rather as a production operator.
So right now your job you still working or you no work no job right now?
Yeah, no job, ma'am. Right now.
No job.
Yes.
Oh, so that job Epson you working there 4 years.
3 years, ma'am.
How many years?
3 years.
3年呐。
3年了。
但只有3年了。3年了。哦 ，OK。3年。Why you resign your Epson?
To find another work at Taiwan.
New
I think
job,
that,
okay?
Yeah.
So you are single?
Yes, ma'am.
No children?
No, ma'am.
No.
No girlfriend, ma'am.
Okay, so can you explain your father, mother, your family?
My mother is at home only, and I don't have a father since.
Oh, I see.
Ma'am.
So you right now you live with your sister together. 3 brothers, 2 sisters. You are elder one.
I live with my 2 brother only.
You live with your 2 brothers.
Yeah, ma'am.
So your sister married?
One sister and 1 brother are married.
Okay. So your mother agreed you come to Taiwan?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you have the good temper?
Yes, ma'am. I have a. Yes, ma'am. I have. I
跟他脾
think.
气好不好？他说他拍胸脯说他想他是好的。林子在。林子，你还有什么要问的？
Yes, ma'am.
还好啦。有没有什么人在台湾这边工作？没有吧？
Do you have any friends or relative that working in the Taiwan?
I have a for cousin, ma'am. Cousin.
Your cousin?
Yes, ma'am.
Where? Which location? Taiwan which location?
Taichung.
台
Taichung?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, how many years he working in the Taichung?
I think, ma'am, 6 to 8 years, ma'am. I didn't.
Oh, you don't know, so you didn't contact with him.
Yes, ma'am.
哦，
他表哥在台中哦。
对，亲戚在台中，他没有联络啦。
我真的觉得
Do you have the tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am. I don't have.
Okay, good. So our faculty got the faculty dormitories rule, so you have to follow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then they have to agree the production line, maybe change the day shift or night shift.
Yes, ma'am. I
Do
already.
you accept?
Yes, ma'am. I already experienced the shifting schedule.
OK. Sarah 他说什么？他是 already 什么？
他说他以前工作，他也是做那个晚班，上晚班的，在轮班的，对，他有做过轮班的。
OK， 林子还有没有问题？
没问题。
Okay, thank you. You're coming.
Thank you,
Have
ma'am.
you a good chance. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.